Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter 8, Cell. Now, when you hear this word cell, many things come to your mind, like what is cell, who discovered it, how it was discovered, etc. etc. In this video, I am going to answer all these questions and tell you a little more. Now, what is cell? Basic structural unit of living organism is called cell. Cells are assembled to make the body of every organism. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed slices of cork under magnifying glass. Then he observed that, oh, they are dead cells. Cork is a part of the bark of a tree. This is how cells were discovered. Many few scientists can observe a living cell because it requires a high magnification. Robert Hooke observed a dead cell. Cells are of two types. Organisms made from single cell are called cellular organisms. Example, amoeba. Organisms made from more than one cell are called multicellular. Example, human beings. Now cells are of various shapes and sizes. Let's first talk about shapes. The red blood cells in humans, they are of spherical shapes. And the nerve cells, long branched. The muscle cells, they are spindle shaped. Now let's come to the size. The smallest cell is of 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer in bacteria, and largest cell is 170 millimeter into 130 millimeter, that is the egg of ostrich. How organism is formed? Organism is formed from very few things combining together, like all tissues form to make organisms. All the tissues combine to form organs combine to form organ system, and finally organ system made up the organism. Parts of the cell. Let's talk about cell membrane. The cytoplasm and the nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called the plasma membrane. It is porous and allows all the materials to come in and go out. Cytoplasm. The jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Organelles are also present in cytoplasm. Nucleus. It is an important component of the living cell. It is located in the center of the cell. Nuclear membrane. Nucleus is separated from cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane. Like the cell membrane, it is also porous and allows all the materials to come in and go out. Nucleus. With higher magnification, we can see a smaller spherical body in the nucleus called nucleoles. Nucleus contains the thread-like structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes carry genes and help in transfer of characters from parents to the offspring. The cells having nuclear membrane and a well-organized nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. Example, onion cell. The cell having nucleus without nuclear membrane is called prokaryotic cells. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae. Now in the notes you can see the human cheek cells, the diagram of it. Do learn it. Blank looking structures in the cytoplasm are called vacuole. Materials scattered in cytoplasm of leaf are called plastids. Green colored plastids are called chloroplast. Now here's the diagram of plant cell and animal cell. You can look all those parts which are common in them and not common in them, like for example cell wall. In plant cell wall is present, but in animal cell wall is absent. Nucleus is there in both the cells, cytoplasm is common, vacuole is common, and cell membrane is also common. Okay, learn the diagrams of plant cell and animal cell. and I hope this video is useful for you. We will meet very fast with a new video. Till that, till then, please watch all my videos, like them, comment them, and don't forget to share as much as possible, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't, for more interesting and useful videos.